how could they hold my ponytail and eliminate the need for elastic? These are upins. They come in a set of 2. I'm going to show you how to get a nice, tight, high ponytail just using the upins. So I'm going to gather my hair up right here, just leaving out a small section under. I'm going to section out that little one. Go ahead and wrap the base of your ponytail really good here. And we just created a band in which we're going to use. We're going to take that U-pin, go under that little band we created, out a little bit, touch that scalp, just like that, flip it right back in. We're going to do the same thing. It's not going anywhere. See, I told you could hold up your ponytail, but you can also do buns and all sorts of things. You want some? I have them available in so many different styles for just $18 a set. Comment below and I'll get in contact with you.